So previously, I took you guys through the whole setup for the FGT Lite racing seat, but this time around I want to mount the pedals and then the T150 wheelbase. That's what I use, but it's a little bit modded. But I'm going to place you guys on the tripod because I'm here alone, and then I'm going to try and fix everything. I don't think I can do everything today because I need to try and do some cable management. Also, I'm trying to add some transducers and stuff in there, so let's see how it goes. But yeah, let me put you guys on the tripod and then we can start. I'm going to set up the T150 wheelbase, but you notice the T150 has a clamp underneath, so I don't need any of the screws that were given in the box of the FGT. You can use that when you have a Fanatec or one of the other the direct drive, I think direct drive bases, but with this one I'm just going to use the clamp, so it's pretty easy to go. Like I said, I'm not going to do the cable management now, so let me go ahead and start mounting this, and then we can go to the pedals next. So we start by loosening the clamp we have underneath, and then it literally just goes in here. Give me a second. This way. Goes in here, and then go ahead and clamp it underneath. You check if it feels steady for you. For me, I feel like it's sturdy enough. Yep, I think fits properly here. I don't know if there's anything we'll need to do to it. What we have sort of works. What I'll do is I'll try and figure out the pedals next, and then if they work perfectly, I'll do the minor adjustments needed so I can get the seat in position right before I go ahead with all the other things. Cable management, trying to figure out where the cables are going to pass, you know, all those things. I'll deal with those later. For now, I just want to place all the accessories needed, and then after that we can figure out the minor things. So apparently this plate should be able to slide a little forward if you feel like your wheel is a bit forward for you. We haven't done the adjustments yet, but the moment we do the adjustments, we'll know if we need to do that or not. What we are going to focus now on is the pedals. We need to mount this. I just placed it on it. So we need to mount this on the seat and then see how that goes. So for this angle, we are going to lift this up, place it here. Let me do this. Oh, so mind you, this doesn't come with a dampener. This dampener was installed by me. I think I purchased it from AliExpress a while ago. I'm not too sure about the price, but it really helps. So you can check it out. I might put the link in the description below. If not, feel free to ask me, and then I can share a link with you. But yeah. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this here. See if I can lift this. Try to figure out how the holes work, and then from there I can put the screws in. Okay, so we have the screws now. This is so hard to shoot because I'm doing this alone, but we have this. Lift it a little. Put this up. Hope I'm still in frame. Put this. Okay, so we put this up. Take one of the screws that were given in the box. Try to put one. And you just do one, just so you can balance it out. And then I'm going to drop it. Oops, sorry about that. I'm going to drop it, and then let's see if I can figure out. Okay, so drop it down, slide it up, find out the best position, and then you can go ahead and then lock this. So let me place you guys down once again and then see if I can lock this. Okay, so it's tightening this way. So mind you, I have just one screw in there. I need to find out the level or the adjustment that's needed for me, and then I can figure it out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get seated and figure out the adjustments I need for the pedals, and then we can put a wheel on, a test wheel, and then see if the adjustments work. So I think I'll go with the standard T150 wheel. I think that'll be best for now. So this is the modded T150 wheel. So we'll go with this for now. That's it. I put on the T150 wheel. I'm going to sit down and then figure this out. Pins up. Get in. Okay. This closes. Off the bat, I feel like this is not sturdy enough, but what matters to me right now is the pedals. Like, I need to figure out where will be best. Where we have it right now isn't bad. I think I still need to make some minor adjustments, but it doesn't feel bad what we have right now. Yeah, I think it feels good. I don't know, it just doesn't feel a bit sturdy for me. But maybe I need to make some adjustments to this, but it doesn't feel too sturdy for me. We might have to move the plates like I mentioned earlier, and then let's see about that. So I think where the pedal is, it's a little better, but I don't know if my thighs need to maybe go down a little so I can have some rest around my quads. If not, I'm going to get fatigued over time. So, yep, let me try and screw this on. Take it out. This. It's pretty easy to come out. Once again, get to this position. This time around, we need to screw all the stuff in there. So let's get to it. We do need to put in these. Yep. So I'm going to take out the one I did and then put this there. Or I'll do it for the others so it stays in the same position, and then I can put this there. So what's a bit tricky to me right now is the fact that we don't have any for this section. So I guess I need to drill some holes in here so we can mount this pedal to this plate, because it has no holes for the screws. So let's figure that out. What we have to do next is to figure out how we're going to mount this particular plate. Maybe we do not have to screw it, we can just, you know, tighten this up and then see how it goes, but I think in the long run we'll need to screw this. As you can see, it took me a minute to put this together, but I think when you are trying to figure this thing out, you need someone to help you. I mean, this is going to make it a whole lot easier because doing it alone is not easy, but I think I have everything put together without the cable management. Like I said, I need to attach some transducers to it. Yeah, that will be a video for another day, but don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comments if you have any below, and then that'll be all. Safe.